haven't done a great job of answering this question.
Is Christianity the white man's religion?
I can understand that concern.
Why would you ever, how can you say, yield yourself, to the faith that has been used to perpetuate your oppression?
So since I've come to college, I'm not gonna lie, I tell people all the time, yeah, I'm not a Christian anymore.
If you believe that a spiritual system is on the wrong side of a moral issue, then obviously that's not going to bode well for that spiritual system.
And so what we're witnessing is a church that is not only on the margins nationally, but unfortunately in some respects, is being pushed to the margins within its own community.
Yes,